Mango shrimp.
We just did a segment with a mentalist. If you missed it, shame on you. We're going to post it on Pix 11. I am shook. Okay, moving on.
I'm sorry for yelling.
It's National Couples Day, and we didn't have to go very far to find this power couple that is joining us right now. Just relax.
Sean Ringgold is an actor and executive producer on the hit series The Family Business. He's also known for Lady in the Lake with Natalie Portman, Notorious for Life, Luke Cage, One Life to Live, and of course every segment that we've ever done together where we are in spandex and doing ballet.
His better half works right here on Pix 11, 9-time Emmy Award-winning journalist, the ruler of the roost.
Thank you.
The shot caller, Nicole Johnson.
Thank you.
Yay.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
They've turned their experience with love, marriage, and food into a new cookbook. It is called Plated Pleasures. Nicole and Sean, Stranger.
Thank you.
Thank
you, guys.
Timing couldn't be more perfect. It's National Couples Day.
National Couples
How long
Day.
have you guys been married?
Long time.
Oh, boy.
Together 12, married 6.
That's not that long. You guys are still kind of newlywed-ish.
We're still learning each other.
Yes.
I love
Yeah.
that.
What are you learning?
About how incredible you are.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you very much.
He
Thank you very
learned
much.
to say nice things.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Always.
Thank you.
How did this cookbook come to fruition?
Well, I cook.
she does.
I'm not a culinary expert, but I do cook after watching my parents cook Caribbean culture, Latin culture, and my mom pulled us into the kitchen. So as a kid, I watched her cook, and I kept those recipes, tweaked them a little bit, and put them in the book. But what inspired me was when I cooked for him, his reaction.
Yeah.
Was?
Incredible. Her food, the lamb chops, this is the long kiss curry chicken roti. This woman can cook. We can be going through anything.
Yeah.
We could have an argument. She shows me that she loves me when she says, your food is on the table.
And he just sticks a chicken right
No
in
matter
there.
what's happening, because we're all arguing. She puts the food out, and
Yeah.
you can tell by when I'm eating this that she's like, I love you, because it's better than any restaurant, anything, any place that I've gone.
That's
Eating
love.
food,
And
I
isn't
know
it-
that she loves me. But like, let's go out to eat. I'm like, nah, I want to go home. My wife is
it.
cooking.
Isn't it
Thank
great
you.
when someone appreciates your food?
Yeah,
You know I do.
I love that. I love that. The children, my husband. This book is pretty much just a sneak peek into our life and just how we put faith and family and food and how all those things connect us and keep us together.
What did you
what'd
bring?
you
This
make?
is a
What'd
roti?
Oh, this is roti. Now, I can't make the roti from scratch.
Right.
I get that roti from, where we get the roti
In
from?
Queens? Did you go to Queens?
No, Long Island.
No,
it's a great place
where we
in
get the
Queens for
roti from, honey?
The roti, Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's. So you can get a Trader Joe's
Sometimes
roti.
we do roti.
Yeah, no. But Trader Joe's roti or whatever roti you like. My mom would make the roti from scratch.
Right.
I'm not
That's
that
an
good.
old
The roti's
Yeah,
a
I'm
joke.
not that good, and I don't have time.
Right.
And then the curry chicken is basically, this is a twist because Caribbean curry chicken, they have the bone in the chicken.
Yeah.
We don't want the bone. This is a modern
This is a
version
modern.
where you have a boneless chicken breast. I cut it up. I season. You got to wash the chicken.
Yes.
Okay, let's be very
That's
clear.
a very
With lemon and
polarizing
vinegar,
thing.
wash the chicken.
Yeah.
Folks in the newsroom, they don't wash the chicken. That's another story. You wash
Right.
the chicken
Yes.
and you season it profusely with curry powder, pepper, red chili pepper, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning.
All the things.
My
Wait,
God.
don't give
You know,
out
I
what
do
don't-
Lowry's.
Sean is
Don't
biting his
tell.
lower lip like he's looking
Leave
at
something for
something.
I had
Let's
some
look
last
up
night.
a
Let's
listing.
leave something.
I had
Let's
some
leave
last
something.
night.
Okay,
It's
listen.
delicious.
Our question of the day,
Right.
we're going
Yeah.
to pop it up for you.
Okay.
Inquiring minds want to know, as a couple, what's one
Be honest.
thing you should be allowed to keep private in a relationship?
Be honest.
It's
Dum,
up there.
da-dum,
It's up. Those are
dum.
those are the multiple choice, unless you want to
Or
add another
improv.
one.
I got a real
private?
answer. I don't know if you could actually
But there's nothing
handle that
private
plan.
in our household.
Say it.
We-
The show's gonna end. You're gonna
Your
say
body
it.
count.
There's nothing
Body
private.
count.
Body
It's
count.
private. No one needs to know.
No one
it's
needs
not.
to know.
When we got together, you asked me, honey, how many men?
Right.
And did you answer?
I did. I was honest.
Carry the two.
And then, no, we did not carry the two, Ben.
Square
we did
root
not
of
stop.
I
We did
will
not carry
go-
the two.
I will.
We were
Don't
honest,
even.
even though Sean said he lost count.
He's a stud
I'm
muffin.
still, you know,
I'm honest.
Sean and Nicole.
He's like a gland
the
with feet.
power couple, the
Yes.
it couple,
Thank
the
you.
couple that made a beautiful,
you.
beautiful cookbook.
The book's
Go.
coming out
Yes.
Plated
Here it is.
Pleasures.
Yeah.
September 18th. You can go to platedpleasuresbook.com,
That's
get
right.
your copy, advance copy, and hit
And be
us
done
on
with it.
social.
That's all she wrote.
Yeah.
Hit them up on social.
Thank
on all
you
the
for
things.
everybody for just watching, being on our show.